Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic QCAD tutorial how to create layer. So as example, I will create a circle and the second create a line object. Now if you want to create new layer, you can click at these plus icons in the layer list and then you can set the names. We set default layer 1 with color red, click OK. And the second I will set again layer 2 with color blue. Now it will be create to layer, and to apply you can select the object, okay, and then you can select the layer, right click. Now you can click on move selection to current layer. So it will be automatically apply into object. I will select again this object, right click in layer 2 and then choose move selection to current layer. Okay, that's it for basic QCAD tutorial how to create layer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.